Hello, guys, and welcome to the course ChatGPT and AI from Zero to Hero. In this course, you will learn how to automate your task, streamline your task to AI, let AI do all the work, and just focus on the real things that matters, and save time and money. In this course, you will learn how to leverage the power of the power of the AI revolution, because we are currently in a very big AI revolution, the tech revolution. I think it's really bigger than the internet revolution. New tools popping out every other week, new features, new stuff, exciting stuff. In this course, you will learn how to use the most exciting and most useful tools for your career, for your business, for your job, for your personal life. Every place you want to use it, you will learn how to use it here in this course. The course is designed really for everybody, from beginners to a bit more um, already experienced users of ChatGPT and different AI tools. And this is a very dynamic course, meaning new content will be uploaded every other week, sometimes twice or three times a week, sometimes just once a week. But the reason why new tools will be uploaded into the course is really because AI is changing all the time. As I said, new tools popping out every other week, and you just need to keep up. So I promise that new content will be uploaded every time to the course, to make sure that you know all the new cool features. Um, so in this course, you will learn a lot of things, a lot of use cases, tips, and prompts to use ChatGPT for content writing, for blog, emails, social media content, product descriptions. You will learn how to use ChatGPT for coding, how to learn with ChatGPT, how to write resume, how to do SEO, how to summarize text. You will learn about GPT-4. You will learn about different AI tools such as Copy AI, Retail, Canva AI features. Um, you will learn a lot of prompt tips and stuff like that. So I'm really excited for you guys. I think this course is going to be great. And if you want just any content related to AI you want me to add, just write me in the email, in the course comments, everywhere you want. Just write me, and I will try my best to do a new video about this, about the content. But I will be keeping up with the news. For example, with Google Bard going out, so I'm gonna do a course about Google Bard and about all the different AI features. The course is more designed um, to text use of AI. I mean, like to generate text and stuff like that, and less on the design stuff of the art design. Like Midjourney and Dali and stuff like that. But there will be in the future a section that talking about design and art with AI and stuff like that. But for now, the course will be more focused on text. And I hope you enjoy the course.